II. II is considered one of the strangest animals in the world. Not only that, this little primate is also known as one of the animals with an ugly face. Found only in Madagascar, this animal has a length of 35 to 43 centimeters. This animal also has a long tail. Its body is covered in long hair and ranges in color from gray to black with whitish guard hairs. His face was like a fox's, but his teeth kept growing like a rodent's. IIs use echolocation like bats and can climb trees headfirst like squirrels. The eyes are round, sharp, and orange or brown. The animal also has a special third finger which it uses to poke into the cavity it has made with its teeth and extract the maggots. The natives consider them evil animals and often kill them. As a result, the II is currently endangered. 2. Pangolin. Parents may be quite familiar with this animal. Also known as the scaly pangolin, the pangolin's skin is covered in scales made of keratin, the same material that makes up the hair, fur, claws and nails of other animals. It is the only mammal known to have scales like these, which has made it a center of attention. Unfortunately, hunting and habitat destruction have made most of the 6 pangolin species endangered. This animal will protect itself by curling up into a ball and showing its sharp scales when threatened. Pangolins, which are solitary creatures, are nocturnal and feed only on termites and ants. 3. Feather frog. Hair and fur are usually attributes of mammals and possibly some insects, but they are almost never seen in amphibians and reptiles. However, in fact there are frogs that have feathers. The males of these frogs, which grow to about 10 to 12 centimeters, develop what appear to be hairs on their sides and thighs during the breeding season. They don't actually have hair, but those hair-like things are dermal papillae. In addition, they have arteries that help the frog absorb more oxygen. These organs work very much like the gills that frogs have when they are still tadpoles. The male frog will need extra oxygen because after the female lays her eggs in the water, she is the one who takes care of them. 4. Okapi. Okapi is also known as the strangest animal in the world because it has a confusing physical form. His physique is like a cross between a zebra and a giraffe. Therefore, it is not surprising that this animal is often known as the zebra giraffe. However, the okapi is actually a close relative of the giraffe but not any sort of hybrid. This strange and very interesting animal is about almost 1.5 meters at the shoulder and about almost 2 meters in length. The female okapi is slightly taller. The neck is long and has fine dark brown or reddish-brown fur with zebra stripes on the legs and hindquarters. Meanwhile, the male okapi have an ossicone on their heads. This animal is endangered and is only found naturally in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. 5. The Tetsi Fly. Found in the tropical climates of Africa, the Tetsi fly can spread sleeping sickness. That's not what makes it strange, because many other insects are also disease vectors. What makes this fly unusual is that the larva develops inside the mother's womb, and the mother feeds it with milk. This reproductive strategy is unique in that it is usually only performed by mammals. The female Tetsi fly only allows one of her eggs to be fertilized at a time and her babies go through the larval stage while in her womb. As the larva develops, the mother feeds it with a substance very similar to milk even though it is still in its womb. The Tetsi fly mother then gives birth to larvae when they reach the 3rd larval stage. The larva then crawls into the soil, pupates and lives for about a month on the food it receives from its mother. 6. Platypus. The platypus is also included in the ranks of the strangest animals in the world. It has a beak like a duck, webbed feet like an otter, eyes like a hagfish, and a tail like an otter. These are mammals that lay eggs. Male platypuses have poisonous spines on their hind legs. Its fur glows under a black light and it locates prey via electrical signals picked up by receptors in its beak. Only the left ovary in female platypuses is functional. When it was first discovered by Europeans, they thought the platypus was a mythical animal. 7. Blobfish. If you are active on social media, you must be no stranger to this one fish. This pink-white fish has a face that is considered ugly. Oftentimes, his face appears as a meme on various social media. Also called fat head, this fish is found in deep water off the coast of New Zealand and Australia. Blobfish can be found at a depth of nearly 100 meters below sea level. The blobfish doesn't really look like its most famous photo. When it is pulled from the depths of the ocean too quickly, it is traumatized to such an extent that it turns into a lump.